Chinese Coast Guard vessel collided with a Philippine supply boat in the disputed Spratly Islands in the South China Sea. The Philippine government has accused China of dangerous blocking maneuvers that caused the collision. China, on the other hand, has accused the Philippine boat of ignoring warnings and deliberately provoking trouble. The collision is the latest in a series of maritime incidents between China and the Philippines in the South China Sea. China claims sovereignty over most of the South China Sea, despite an international arbitration ruling in 2016 that invalidated its claims. The Philippines is one of several countries that dispute China's claims. The collision has raised concerns about the potential for a more serious conflict between China and the Philippines in the South China Sea. The U.S. has called on both sides to de-escalate the situation and avoid any further incidents. The U.S. has also pledged to continue to support the Philippines in defending its sovereignty. The U.S. and the Philippines have a mutual defense treaty, which means that the U.S. is obligated to defend the Philippines if it is attacked. The collision is a reminder of the tensions that exist in the South China Sea. It is important for all parties involved to exercise restraint and avoid any actions that could lead to a conflict.